Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. So here I'm going to present you two systems, Nalini Precision Engine and Market Memory POC. And many traders have accessed both the indicators, how they can combine and trade with this. It is a complete framework. You can use rolling pivots, morning layers, GAN Hilo, 6-hour buy sell signal, daily weekly POC, value area high and value area low. Here today I am going to present how two powerful systems complement each other for high probability trades. What if every trade you took had the market itself confirming your entry, right? What if two powerful systems working together could tell you exactly where price wants to go before it gets there? So, friends, I'm welcoming to this Nalini Precision Engine combined with Market Memory POC. This is not just a trading system. This is a framework built on morning layers, GAN Hilo, 6-hour stock selection, and deep volume profile analysis. By the end of this video, you will understand how these two systems speak the same language and how to use that conversation to find high probability, low risk trades every single session. Here, Nalini Precision Engine is giving you rolling pivots. You will get dynamic support and resistance level that update with the price action. They are directly related to the price and they go back and they give you every hour support, resistance, and pivots. What more you need? Every step, every price is balanced. It is taken care of. And also it gives you morning layers, which gives pivot zones for the day's key levels. Entire day key level, it acts as a morning layer. GAN Hilo gives you trend direction filter. It tells you only trade with the trend. 6-hour buy signal, you get the stock selection based on the 6-hour time frame breakout. And plus, if you utilize market memory POC, you will get daily POC point of control, that is highest volume price of the day. Weekly point of control, highest volume price level for the week. Value area high, top 70% value area resistance. Value area low, where bottom 70% volume value area support. Combining with, we can build a super trading system. Here, it tells you, see, you can see the rolling pivots, morning layers, everything here. Okay. Rolling pivots gives you, this is the pivot over here. R1, R2, R3, S1, S2, S3. These are the morning layers created immediately. And rolling pivots calculate as the price develops during the day. See, rolling pivots recalculate every session using this is not previous day's high and close, hourly high, low and close, levels roll with the market, not static pivots. These morning layers will be plotted early in the morning, going back to the 9:18 minutes. 9:18 minutes, pick up these layers and present it to you to guide you through the trade. So if what is the thing actually? Gann Hilo, 1 minute, just a second. Gann Hilo is a trend filter, price above the Gann Hilo, price below the Gann Hilo. It indicates buy and sell signals. High low crossover up, strong buy trigger, momentum entry, high low acts as trailing stop. Stay in trade till high low is broken. Avoid counter trend trades. Why? It saves your capital on low probability setups. And for the stock selection, 6-hour buy stock selection, you get stocks with the 6-hour breakout. Buy above the 6-hour high. Entry trigger after consolidation break. It scans multiple stocks. It aligns with the daily trend. Higher risk to reward potential. 6-hour trades carried to next session also. You can BTSD can go for swing, short swings or short positional trades. You can do that. And next is let me tell you about the market memory POC. The price as memory, it returns to where most business was done. That is the idea, point of control. Value area high, it presents value area high, value area of the week, value area of the day. Weekly POC, daily POC, value area low of the day, value area low of the week. Daily POC is the highest volume level of the current day. Price gravitates back to POC, acts as a magnet and pivot. So dominant price layers. Weekly price level, if the price level for the entire week stronger than the daily. Key bias is determinant. Top boundary of the value. Value area is high is the top boundary. Price above the value area is extended potential fade zone. It is a fade zone. When it extends above the value area high, so you need to be careful and it may fade. Trade may fade. So it can be, it cautions you, or sometimes it is an initiative buying. Value area low is the bottom boundary of value. Price at value area low is a potential support buying zone in uptrend. Price spend 70% of the time inside the value area. If edges or if the price is above the value area high or below the value area low, they are the high probability reversal or breakout zones. So how they complement each other, it is very, very important. So I not only check the Nalini precision engine, Nalini EMA indicator for the location, for my supports and the structure. I also see for this market memory POC for context and validation. So Nalini engine, precision engine gives me rolling pivots, morning layers, Gann Hilo, 6-hour hour selection when there is convergence zone, high probability. When it is converging with the daily POC, weekly POC, value area, high and low volume nodes, it is a market memory convergence. When it is converging, Nalini Precision Engine is converging with that, it is a powerful trading system. So result will be high probability setup. We will have defined risk and clear targets, reduced drawdown. That is the beauty of these two indicators combined. Nalini engine provides entry level, trend direction, stop to trade, stop loss, targets, market memory, validates is entry near POC or value area low or value area high, is trend aligned with the weekly POC bias, is stock near key volume nodes, is stop loss below value area low or key POC, does target match value area high or weekly POC. So that's how they complement with each other. When they converge with the zones, that will be a high probability trade. Here in this example, Nifty 50 index, see, yesterday, I was traveling. I was away from my native place. I didn't see the market because I was in the function, wedding function. I couldn't see the market. But my market memory POC, I have put the market memory POC. I can see where is the confluence. You can see the price the yesterday 20 on 28th, the market has gone above the value area high, that is an zone, reversal, high probability reversal zone. There market turned around, closed below. This was the POC. This was the daily value area high and daily value area low. You can mark these levels in advance and you can get to know. See, when the market opened, see, you can see over here, next day, market gapped up and opening above the value area high. This is an high probability trade, actually. I'm getting the thing, confirmation that initiative buying has been taken place. Gap up plus the buying, the candles advancing, it is telling me the price is positive. In my next slide, this is the integrated system setup process. So we do all this thing, check market memory. I've checked the market memory. Later, I'll see for the rolling pivot filters, morning layers, GAN Hilo, and everything I'm going to see. When everything is in confluence, I'm going to take the trade. This is the integrated trade setup. You can see in this Nifty 50 index, the on 28th, the price trading outside the box and then it started correcting. It could not, it acted as a resistance and you can see this is Nalini Precision Engine and the price trading below the pivot. So the pivot has turned red. The traders who have bought my indicators, they know thoroughly that when price falls below the pivot, that is a weakness. It is a, and then GAN Hilo has flipped from blue to red, indicating trend is negative and price with the market memory, it has come inside the box. This is the point of control where most of the trades have taken place around this volume. This is the value area low acting as the support. And what happened on 29th? Price gapped up above the outside the value area high box. And here trend Gann Hilo is flipping. When it was negative, it flipped to green, blue color and morning layers of the rolling pivot. You can see morning layers. These are the pivot S1, R1, R2, S1 and S2. So everything is confirming and price entering into the box. The market memory POC, most of the trade after 1 hour, after 11 p.m., most of the trade was here above the POC. And when price started losing its balance, you can see the pivot turning black, neutral, and it turned red. The Gann Hilo flipped and the price getting rejected by the POC and traded outside the box. Closed outside the box, started from the outside the box of the previous day, and it has closed outside the box of the present day. This is how you can make out, see, same thing. I'm taking the example of Vedanta, how you can take the stock selection. You can see combined with the market memory POC and the Gann Hilo, the price is in downtrend. It is continuously 6-hour sell, 6-hour sell. Notice the change over here. Price getting rejected. See, on the daily basis. Now you can see the change over here on 27th, the price popping above the value area high. That is a reversal signal. You can check over here and price. These are the morning layers of that particular day, and the pivot turning blue, color change, Gann Hilo flipping, the reversal came. You could have taken position on this stock, Vedanta, by seeing this, and you could have ridden for the target, 10% of target here. The Gann Hilo supporting over here, price ascending with the market memory POC in between. You can see over here, after run up to the second day, it was exhausted. Price came back and it again continued. Even you can learn the market structure, higher high, higher low, like that, with the help of the Gann Hilo and this market memory POC. Here, I'm taking the example of persistent system. Yesterday, it popped up my screener that this one popped up from my screen, and that it is showing a beginning of the reversal. You can see stock preparing for the reversal. It popped out and jumping above the previous day value area high, and Gann Hilo flipping rolling pivot and went above the R1 and R2, and then finally closed near the bottom of the value area low support. So we can keep it in our watch list like this. It is showing some sort of reversal. This stock, you can keep it in constant in your watch list like this, and you can trade along with the market memory pivots and rolling pivot reversal. This is how it is. This is a very good system. See, if when there is a live trade signal, how all signals aligns for a highly probability trade. You have to check for all this checklist. If you so take the screenshot. If you check, you will get if suppose morning layers are aligning from the previous day, the stock is popping above the previous day value area high, then it is a positive signal. and the price is above the trading, above the morning layer pivot and supports, and also GAN Hilo flipping. That is a high probability long trade. You can take for that. These are the confluence zones. You can put a score for that and you can do that. So take the screenshot, and if all these things are aligned like this, morning layer plus value area low and everything, you can grade it and you can grade your trade also. So these are the entry rules for that. Buy setup conditions, avoid exit conditions. These are the things. You take the screenshot. Uh, I've made it into a table. You can take the screenshot. It helps you people to trade properly. So trade management, you have to manage the trade. So you have to praise the initial stop loss, partial profit at daily POC, trail stop loss via GAN Halo, targets next pivot or POC, re-entry also you can confirm from the after POC bounce, weekly POC. You can act as a final target. You can do that. These are the things you have to check. So this is a quick reference card, what you need to do. This is the signal cheat sheet. So take all the screenshot, it works for you. I've explained you everything. You can scan 6-hour buy signal stock and mark daily, weekly POC, check for GAN Hilo, find rolling pivots, note morning layers near entry, count confluence. So you need to get set entry, stop loss, trail with GAN Hilo. These are the cheat sheets. So GAN Hilo is positive, bullish trend confirmed, buy only. GAN Hilo, bearish trend confirmed, avoid longs, 6-hour buy, momentum breakout stocks, add to watch list. Okay, friends, this is how, in combination with the Nalini Precision Engine and the market memory POC, it becomes a complete two systems will give you infinite precision. So Nalini engine identifies when and where. Market memory POC gives you context and validation. Together they create high confidence and low risk trades. So you will be trading less and you will be trading smarter. Let Confluence do the work. Nalini Precision Engine plus Market Memory POC. Thank you very much, friends. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.